Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Isna Fajrin. Currently, I'm still registered as a diploma student of Batam State Polytechnic in electronic engineering study programs. Today, I'm going to be reporting on my final project entitled Monitoring Unknown System Production Process on Forging Machine. One small reminder, please keep your question until the Q&A session. Okay, I will start by giving an overview of the background. From the left picture, the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0 was marked by the role of technology in taking over most of the economic activities. Welcoming the Industrial Revolution 4.0, the government has moved quickly by making a roadmap for making Indonesia 4.0. As we know, manufacturing company in Indonesia in production machine still use the old technology, and then production process monitoring is still done manual, and then information system problems are still manual, such as machine failure, material supply error, product quality problems, and overall equipment effectiveness or OEE is calculated manually, and then production reports are still being generated manually. Then I will continue to show you problem formulation and research objective. First, problem formulation. 1. How to design a system that can monitor the production process on the forging machine. 2. How to design a system capable to storing data to a local database directly over the network. 3. How do I display production data from the forging machine in real time? 4. How to measure the productivity of forging machine? And 5. How to design a system that can be implemented in delivering information in the production process. And turning to research objectives. 1. Designing hardware and software in the form of a monitoring device system that is able to monitoring the production process on the forging machine. 2. Designing a system capable to storing data to a local database directly using SAMPP software. 3. Designing a real-time display of production data on the forging machine using an interface with the C# programming language. 4. Design a system capable of measuring forging machine productivity using the overall equipment effectiveness or OEE method. 5. Designing a system can be implemented in delivering information between machine operator and supervisor, as well as with the quality, maintenance, material supply, and production supervisor department when problems occur in the production process. Then I will continue to showing you the benefit and limitation of problems. First, the benefit. 1. This monitoring under system can be used by industry to increase the productivity of production machine. 2. This monitoring under system can be used by industry to face the challenge of the revolution industry 4.0 era. And then limitation of problems. 1. How to design a system that can monitor by forging machine production process at VT-XXX. 2. How to design a system using Wemos Lolin 32 as a microcontroller. 3. How to design a system capable of storing data to local database in the real time over a network using SAMPP software. 4. How to design a real-time display of production data using an interface with the C# programming language using Visual Studio. And 5. Using a proximity sensor installed in the forging machine to calculate production achievement and the number of NG product, and using 4 call buttons including maintenance, quality, supply, and process as a sign of loss of production time. 6. To design a system capable of calculating and displaying overall effectiveness, overall equipment effectiveness or OE values using Visual Studio software. OE value is calculated based on productivity analysis 6 big losses. Then I will continue to show you about monitoring and system. Monitoring is an activity of observing a certain situation or condition with the aim of obtaining data or information that can be used as a reference in making decisions for further action needed in the event of conditions that are not in accordance with what's planned. And then is a visual control device in the production area used by production operator to notify supervisor, maintenance, quality control, and other workers about quality problems, machine breakdowns, equipment abnormality, or other problem using signal such as light, alarm, text, or other form. Initially, ADON was developed as part of the Jitoka quality control method in the Toyota production system and has now been incorporated into the standard for lean manufacturing application. Then I will continue to show you about overall equipment effectiveness or OEE. OEE is a way to measure the performance of production machine in the application of TPM or Total Productive Maintenance Program. And then 6 big losses method are 1. Downtime or decreased time. It is equipment failure or breakdown loss due to equipment damage. And then set up adjustment. 2. Speed losses, idling and minor stoppage or losses due to operating without load and or stopped for a moment. Then reduce speed or loss due to decreased speed. 3. Defect or abnormalities. Process defect or losses due to defective products or because the work of the product is reprocessed. Then reduce yield losses or losses at the beginning of the production time until it reaches the stable production time. And then I will show you about flow chart system. First, we will start and then study literature system and observation, and then design hardware, and then installation hardware, and then programming Wemos Olin 32, and then programming local database, and then programming web server and PHP, and then create annual counter application, and then create under monitor application, and then factory acceptance test. If the system is not working normally, we will repair the monitoring unknown system, and then we can retest factory acceptance, and then if the system is working normally, we will collect data and prepare the reports and finish. Then I will continue to showing you about hardware in electrical. In the left, there is unknown control, and this is a component of unknown control. And then from the right, this is a sensor proximity that the sensor will detect the material of NG and OK and NG, and the data will send by microcontroller to database. And this is a button. If there is abnormality in production, the operator can push one of the button to call supervisor production or quality or supply material or maintenance to fix the problem. And if the problem is fixed, operator can push again the button, and production will start again. Okay, then I will continue to showing you the data flow. As I said before, input counter product NG or OK will send by microcontroller to database directly via network, and then the data will calculate and will display by application unknown counter and unknown monitor. And if there is problem, the operator can push one of button to call supervisor production or maintenance or quality control or supply material. And then if the problem is fixed, the production can be start again. Then I will continue to showing you about display interface. This is unknown control, and this unknown monitor. And then I will continue to showing you the design unknown monitor. In menu setting, we can change the shift rank and the change cycle time. And then this is a tab counter output. We can get the data counter output by refresh data, and we can print the CSV files or format Excel. And then the menu load time. This is data from the machine. We can also print the CSV files. And then This is detail output. This is location, machine 1. And then this is menu status. This is counter output of material, and this is status. And then this is OEE. This is the graphic we can get by refresh data. In conclusion, 1. Monitoring under system can monitor the production process on forging machine. And 2. Monitoring under system capable to storing data to local database directly over the network. And then 3. Monitoring under system can display production data on the forging machine in real time. 4. Monitoring under system can measure the productivity of a forging machine using the overall equipment effectiveness or OEE method. 5. Monitoring under system can be implemented in delivering information between machine operator and supervisor, as well as with the quality maintenance, material supply, and production supervisor department when problems occur in the production process. If you have any question you'd like to ask, I'll be happy to answer them. Okay? If there are no questions, then I will end this session. Thank you for your attention.